Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Montgomery County, southeastern Miami County, northwestern Greene County, western Clark County, until 6:45 p.m. At 6:04 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located near Rookwood, moving northeast at 25 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour, quarter-size hail, very heavy rain which may cause minor flooding. Locations impacted include Beaver Creek, Wright-Patterson Air Force Base, Huber Heights, Fairborn, New Carlisle. In addition, Overlook Page Manor, Riverside, Brant, Medway, Park Lane, Crystal Lakes, Holiday Valley, and Green Meadows are near the path of this severe thunderstorm. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until the storm has passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.
Now for the